Sure. So, I mean, this was my first bit of playing that I've done since COVID struck. And actually, it wasn't as strange as I was expecting. It turns out that my lip got lost for as long as it maybe would have done at the start of 2020. My face was very tired very quickly. But, everyone, especially, I mean, I can talk mostly in the sort of professional setting. Everyone's being very respectful and very sensible. Very extensive risk assessments. Everyone's bringing their own equipment, following all the rules. And the recording I was doing on the weekend is it's sort of linked to something I work with. I work with a brass band project for young people in Leicester, where I live, and normally the kids would get together and go and play carols outside, but they're not allowed to do that. So this was kind of a placeholder for the staff to record something to be used on social media, as lots of sort of things have been this year, just so that we still have that contact with the local council for the children to do the concert again next year. So it was sort of cobbled together quite quickly. Actually, we were expecting it to be totally cancelled, but because it was a professional engagement and all the risk assessments and everything had gone through, we were allowed to go ahead. So, we played at distance and everyone brought all their own stuff, and we were there for just a short session. We did 3 hours and did some audio and some video, just to, bring a bit of Christmas cheer about the place. It's not exactly been the cheeriest year. But I will say, even with my teaching, I'm mostly teaching children aged 7 to 11 in a local primary school, and even they're adapting brilliantly. You ask them before a piano lesson to sanitize their hands, no problem, they'll do it. Then sit down, take their lesson. I'll sit at a distance to them to teach. They're fine with that too. I've been really surprised by just like how people have like adapted quickly to just let us try to get on as best we can. We spent so long only teaching online, or not teaching some of our students at all, or not playing at all, to okay, how can we make it work? When can we make it work? Which is quite nice, considering we're just about to come out of another national lockdown here, that some things are still going ahead. Phew.